Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV and our opening commentary on Thursday morning, March 27th. Thanks for joining us as we take a look at our trading day ahead. I'll be doing RFD TV this morning as well as Friday morning. The rest of this week, I did WHO radio yesterday along with RFD TV appearance. And I hope you have a chance to check out those appearances. We have put them on our Twitter feed. All right, you can follow us on Twitter at Midwest Markets and at Brian Hoops, and also our website address, MidwestMarketSolutions.com, where you can sign up for our daily newsletters and text message service. U.S. dollar is lower here on the morning hours. Crude oil down slightly along with natural gas. Stock market has been mixed and two-sided this morning. Not a lot of economic news coming out. We did have jobless claims this morning, and those numbers have been factored into the market, and we've pulled back off of our nighttime highs. Gold and silver up a little bit here this morning. Corn fractionally higher in the May contract, but down 1 in the new crop, and beans 6 to 7 cents better. Products are mixed, with oil quite a bit higher, and wheat futures trying to rebound. 3-cent gains in Kansas City, Chicago down a penny in our overnight markets. So let's get into what's going on. Of course, we have export sales on Thursday mornings. First of all, we have seen some light rains fall in Argentina and Brazil, enough to stabilize the crops in Argentina. Dry weather, for the most part, remains a concern for U.S. farmers as they look ahead to seeding this year's corn and soybean crops. Now, there is better rains in the forecast for next week for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Farmers there will definitely take some pre-spring moisture. There's also decent rains forecast for some parts of the winter wheat belt, but not as much as really is desired, and certainly behind the normal pace. Certainly need some rain in that winter wheat belt. Weekly export sales came out this morning. They're pretty uneventful. Wheat, 3.7 million bushels for old crop. If you remember last week, we had cancellations of the old crop as they rolled old crop to new crop. Didn't happen this week, excuse me. 3.7 million bushels, old crop, and new crop only 0.4 of a million bushels, so almost half a million bushel there, 400,000 metric tons. Corn at 40.9 was a pretty good number. Soybeans at 12.4, it's okay. It's above where we need to be to hit the USDA forecast, but it is certainly telling us that we're slowing down considerably in our export business. Coming up on Monday, all eyes are on a quarterly stocks and planning intentions report. The estimates are in your newsletters that we sent out this morning. Trade is looking for corn acres to be 94.4 million versus 90.6 last year. I think it could be much more than that. We've only planted 95 million or more twice in our history, and this year it looks like to be one that we could challenge that, where we hit 95 million, maybe challenge the all-time record that was in 2012. That was 97.2. Soybeans at 83.8, down from 87.1 last year. Wheat could be as much as 46.5 million. I think that's probably optimistic given the prices of wheat. One thing that a lot of people haven't talked about is the crop insurance guarantees that were established in the month of February, and how that can change producers' mentality of what they plant. Corn guarantee is $4.70 versus $4.66 last year, while soybeans is almost $1 cheaper than what they were a year ago. So the tendency should be to plant more corn off of crop insurance guarantees, plus because of a shift in normal rotation of acres. Beef sales this morning were only 8,000 metric tons. Pretty disappointing. Shipments at 14.1, pork at 31.9, shipments at 31.6. That's a much better number than last week. And finally, quarterly hog and pig report comes out this afternoon. All hogs and pigs expect to be 101.2% of last year. Kept for breeding 100.2, kept for marketing 101.1% compared to a year ago. All these estimates are in your newsletter, so I hope you have a chance to check those out. I'm going to sign off here as we have a busy morning at hand, and want to wish you a great day of trade. Good luck, everyone. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be glad to talk markets with you. This is Brian Hoops for Midwest Market Solutions. Have a great day.